Android system can search Solarman Smart through application, market, store for downloading, while iOS system can choose to download Solarman Smart app in Apple Store. Solarman Smart app can also support scanning QR code with mobile phone for downloading. Please scan the code with mobile phone. If you need to perform other operations on the login page, you can click the More button in the upper right corner to display language enters manual, and you can select the corresponding functions as required. After entering Solarman Smart app, please click the Register a new account button on the login page below to go to the registration page to register your account. Use your email account to verify your login account and complete password settings. Please tick the box in front of TNC-SAN privacy policy to indicate that you have read and agreed to the agreement. After entering the email verification code and checking the consent service and privacy agreement, click the Done button to complete the account registration of Solarman Smart app. If you have created a power station and want to create a photovoltaic power station again, you can add it by clicking the Create a Plant button on the upper left corner of the main page. After logging into Solarman Smart app, if you are a new user, you have not completed the addition of the power station, you can click it now to start to create a personal photovoltaic power station in the application. After selecting Create a Plant, you will enter the following prompt interface. Please select whether you need to create a plant yourself according to your actual situation. If you have an installer who is responsible for the later operation and maintenance service of the power plant, it is recommended that you do not create it yourself. Next, you need confirm plant location. Please enter the address to search for the plant location. Please input the basic information, system information and income information of the plant according to the prompts. The items with asterisks are required. And the more complete the information of the power station is, the better it is for you to manage the plant. After completing the plant information, click the Done button, and the window of successful creation will be displayed on the page, indicating that you have successfully created your own photovoltaic power station. That the power station will not have any data temporarily, because you have not added any equipment to the plant, so there is no data source. You can select Add a logger in the window of successful creation. Note, if there is no logger for the time being, you can also select Skip, which can be subsequently operated on the main page of the plant. You can manually enter logger SN, or click the icon on the right side of the serial number form to add the barcode on the mobile phone scanning device. The default association method is auto selection, and the connected equipment under logger will be automatically added to the power station. The system will prompt after the equipment is successfully added. Please click the Go to Configure button to go to the networking configuration. Please ensure that your phone is connected to the Wi-Fi network at home, which is consistent with the network displayed on the page, and enter the connection password for this network. After completing the input and confirming that the information is correct, click the Start button. After successful connection, please return to Solarman Smart app. After successfully connecting to the Logger app network and returning to the app, you will enter the following page. Please wait patiently for the configuration to complete automatically if the page prompts that the configuration is successful. After you return to device, the logger will still be in the offline state. Generally, within 10 minutes, the device can communicate normally. Start to collect the data of the photovoltaic system, and then update the offline state to the online state. Please wait patiently. In the real-time interface, you can see the real-time data of the plant, such as real-time generation power and output, energy flow chart, 24-hour power curve, generation and consumption data, etc. The system will display different page layouts according to your plant grid connection type. Please set your plant according to the actual situation. In the statistics interface, you can see some statistical data and historical data of the plant. You can select specific dates and corresponding filtering conditions to query, so as to quickly understand the power generation and consumption of the plant. In the device interface, you can view the device information under plant. Select and click a specific device to view the specific information of the device, including the device parameters, data statistics and connection information. Through these data, you can determine whether the device is in normal working state. It can support networking configuration, meter configuration, and other functional operations for the corresponding equipment. In the alerts interface, you can view all alarm information under the plant. By clicking the button at the upper right corner of the details page, you can select to click Plant and Photo. Enter the page where you can view the basic information, system information, and income information of the plant. If there is any change or omission, you can improve it. More accurate and complete information will help the system analyze and count plant data. Click Delete through the button at the top right corner of the details page, and the system will pop up a second confirmation window after you confirm. The plant under the account will be deleted. After the plant is deleted, it cannot be recovered. All data is deleted. Please operate with caution. Note: plants obtained through merchant authorization cannot be deleted. Click Authorization info through the button at the upper right corner of the plant detail page to enter the page, where you can view the user information and corresponding operations under the plant authorization. When you are the admin of the power station and want to adjust the identity of the authorized merchant, you can click the switch button to jump to the switch page and support identity switching. If you need to cancel the authorization of the merchant you have completed, you can select and click Authorize-About, and the page will display a prompt pop-up window. Select Confirm to cancel the authorization of the merchant.